Hello beauties! I am back with another crochet tutorial, and this time I'm styling Toyotress Jungle Box Braid. I really like the distressed look of these braids with the loops, and they have a nice blunt end. I received 8 packs for my order. They're 12 inches long in the color number 1B. And each pack comes with a total of 12 Jungle Box braids. And here's my braid pattern. I did the individual illusion braid pattern using rubber bands. And these jungle braids are a medium thickness. They're not too small and they're not too thick, but more like in between. So I like to take the ends of the loop as a guide when creating my boxes for my braid pattern. That way I have enough space in between my parting that really gives me that nice illusion. And do y'all see these rubber bands? My rubber bands were popping on me. I never had an issue with my rubber bands popping. I know I had a lot of you guys saying you don't like to use rubber bands because they pop, but I don't know what's going on. I suggest you double your rubber bands to prevent this, but I did try to fix one area. But it's not stopping no show. I'm going to go ahead and start crocheting my hair. And this hair was fairly easy to crochet. You just have to take your time when going through those loops, just making sure you pass through each one without them tangling. Making sure to leave 1 to 2 fingers width apart between each braid to prevent them from being too thick and heavy, and this hair is very lightweight. And when crocheting through the rubber band boxes, you want to take your time and do not pull the entire braid through that box, because you do not want to snag any of your edges because the thickness is a little bit too thick. So you just want to pull just a little bit, that way you can get the hair through the loop. I used a total of 7 packs for my entire head. Be sure to check the description box down below. I will have all products listed along with these jungle braids from Toyotress. And this is a complete look, guys. I am in love with how this style turned out. I was unsure of how these braids would look, but I absolutely love them. They're really cute, girly, but they also have a little edginess to them. I'm going to create some styling options for you guys. Comment down below your favorite look. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace. Bye.